So last time I turned a McMuffin into a sausage, and it kind of worked, but everything blended together more than I wanted. So this time I'm changing one thing: bigger chunks. This is the Bacon and Egg McMuffin Sausage, attempt number 2. The goal isn't just flavour, it's structure, texture, eggs that are noticeably there, bacon doing what bacon does best, and muffin pieces that don't just disappear. I'm cooking up all these ingredients individually before we force it all into one sausage. Eggs get cubed up, bacon gets chopped into flavour bombs, and the muffins go into the oven to dry out because I don't want them to get too soggy once they mix with the wets. For the meat, I use pork belly and pork chops, which felt right at the time, until I found out after filming this that Australian McMuffin sausage is actually made from beef. So consider this version the texture experiment. Seasoning's still pretty simple: salt, white pepper, black pepper, sage. Nothing too complicated yet because the fillings are doing most of the talking. One grind to combine, second grind for consistency. This is where it either works or doesn't work. Bacon goes in first, bit of water, then eggs, then cheese, and finally the muffin cubes. I don't want them to be too dry so they tear the casing going in. We're rocking the new sausage maker this time. It has a wider opening, which means the chunks will stay chunky and don't get crushed on the way through. And already, this is looking pretty promising. I smoked the last batch, which was good, but nothing in a McMuffin is smoked. So this time we're going with the grill pan. Will it actually cook like a sausage? And there you have it, the sausage and egg McMuffin sausage. The chunks worked. The egg was present. The bacon was there. The overall texture was good except for the muffin cubes. They kind of went a bit gummy after cooking with the sausage mince. And the American cheese was a little overpowering when left in big pockets. The flavour is close, but I'm not finished yet. Next step, beef instead of pork. And I want to dial in the real sausage McMuffin flavour for the sausage meat, and probably some more cheese.